channel Venkat FX Studio. In this video I will say about the three tools of the Photoshop, and click here create new and click on this HDTV 1080p and just create. These lines, if we want to delete these lines, go to view and click on extras, and this is the toolbar of the Photoshop. This is the layer panel, and this is the menu bar. This is the options bar. Guys, now I will import an image. Click on open, and here the rectangular tool is there. If we right click on it, rectangular mark tool, elliptical mark tool, single row mark tool, single column mark tool. 4 types of tools are there. We will select the rectangular mark tool. I selected the subject and clicked on Ctrl C and drag this, and Ctrl V. The same subject I have selected was duplicated here, and if we want to move the subject, click on this and move wherever we want. We can move wherever we want. That with the help of the move tool we can move the subject wherever we want. Okay, then right click on the rectangular mark tool, select elliptical mark tool and drawing a circle. Holding shift, we can draw a circle straightly. Ctrl C. Okay, could not complete the copy command because the selected area is empty, and click on OK. I am in the background now. Holding shift, I am drawing a circle here. OK, and Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C is for to copy the subject. Ctrl V is to paste the subject. Okay guys, for going back, click on the Ctrl Z. For going backward options, click on Ctrl Z. And here is magnetic lasso tool. With this tool, and click on this tool and give a right click. Here the lasso tool will be there. Select on it and draw the subject outline. I draw the subject outline, then click shift F5 and the content aware pop-up, and click on OK. See here, the subject was deleted. The subject here was deleted. So this is the use of the lasso tool, guys. If we want the subject again, click on Ctrl Z. The subject will appear. And now we will discuss about the polygon lasso tool. I am selecting. This is also same as lasso tool, but we should click around the subject. Okay, I selected around the subject and click on Ctrl C and here Ctrl V. With the help of the move tool, I am moving this here. We can move anything with the move tool. That's all for the magnetic polygonal lasso tool. Now we will see about magnetic lasso tool. Okay, open an image, file, open. I'm closing this and file, open. Click on magnetic lasso tool, and with this tool we can generate the points according to the mouse movements. See, we should click for the partitions. It was giving its own mouse movements. Okay, I selected the subject and click on Ctrl Z. See here, when I clicked the Ctrl J, the duplicate had appeared. I selected the move tool and dragged this to here. Okay, then clicking on Ctrl Z. Here the quick selection tool. Guys, now we will talk about the quick selection tool. So here is the quick selection tool. Right click on it and click on object selection tool, and we should select the object. Left click with the mouse, we should drag the line. Okay, the pop-up appears here where we draw the line, and right click, save selection and click on OK. Then come to this layer panel and here add a mask. Click on this, add a mask. Everything background will be deleted and only subject will be remain. I'm clicking Ctrl Z for going backward. With the help of object selection tool, we can remove the background. Okay, now we will see about quick selection tool. Control plus for zoom in and control minus is for zoom out. I am selecting the subject. Okay, then right click, save selection and click on OK, and here add a mask. Okay, then the subject, the background will be deleted. The background will be deleted and the subject will be remained. And I am going backward. Control Z, Control Z, Control C, Control Z. Okay, Control. Now we will see, and this is the quick selection tool, and now we will see magic wand tool. With the help of magic wand tool, we can select only one color. One color we can select, any one color, only one color we can select. Okay, then I am selecting this. Right click of the mouse, select, save selection and click on OK, and add a mask here at the layer panel. Add a mask. See here, the only one color thing was there, remaining got vanished. So this is the help of the magic wand tool. Okay, I'm going back, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and these are the uses of quick selection tool. And here in the magic wand tool, we can draw a rectangular thing. We can draw a rectangular thing on the image, on the subject. To remove the subject, and click on Control Z. I am drawing the rectangular here, and click on save selection and click on OK. Apply the mask. Oh. Click the save selection and click on OK and select layer mask, and everything got vanished. The rectangular layer will be visible. And I am going backward, and we can draw with elliptical mark tool also. Holding shift, I am drawing a circle around the subject. Control Z, holding shift, I am drawing a circle. Control Z. And the make save selection and click on OK. Add a mask. See here, the circle inside area was there, and outside area was being deleted. And this is the help of the quick selection tool. Guys, Now we will discuss about the crop tool. I am clicking on the crop tool. Here we can crop here, we can crop here, we can also crop like this, we can crop like this, and from here also we can crop it, and we can rotate the image also, we can rotate the image also in the crop tool. If we completed cropping, just click enter to display the work. And these are the uses of the crop tool, and these three we won't use in the Photoshop, we will use these in the artboard only. So I am skipping these three tools. We will now discuss about the frame tool here, and I am drawing a frame. See here, frame tool, I am drawing a frame here, rectangular frame, and I want to insert an image. Here the frame is, and in the second layer the image is there, and click on Ctrl A and then Ctrl C, and coming here and clicking Ctrl V. So Ctrl A to select the total image, and Ctrl C is to copy, and Ctrl V is to paste here, and come to the layer panel here and select the image and select Ctrl to convert to smart object. Because we are converting the layer into smart object, because the clarity will be same, and I am clicking Ctrl T and holding Alt, I am dragging this, hold Alt and drag this, adjust it within the frame, and click on enter, and this is the frame we have selected. And we can also use second shape. Let me explain it. And here we can insert the image also. I am again selecting the whole image, clicking on Ctrl A, and copying Ctrl C, and coming here Ctrl V, paste, and go to the layer and click on convert to smart object, and click on Ctrl T, hold the shift, hold the alt, and drag it to the frame and click on enter. See guys, this is this is how the frame tool works in our Photoshop. So guys, this is the frame tool we are using for in the Photoshop. And we have two options in the option bar. One is rectangular and one is circle, and that's all for the frame tool. Guys, now we will discuss about eyedropper tool. Eyedropper, I am clicking on the eyedropper tool, and if I want to select any color, click on that color and this will appear here. This will appear here, and here we can see the range values RGB of this color. We can see here the range values of this color. I'm clicking on this. See the pop-up showing here, and these are the ranges of this color. Okay, I will click on this, and this is the range of this color. I am clicking here, and this was the range of this color, and this is the code of this color. I'm selecting this, and this was the color of here, and this was the code of this color, and click on OK. If I click here on any color, it will appear here. So this is the use of eyedropper tool. And right click on the eyedropper tool. Using eyedropper tool, we can identify the color. And here color sampler tool. Color sampler tool, I am clicking and selecting here one. See here, it is showing 1, and these are the values, and these are the values it is showing for this one color. I am clicking on this also, and number 2 appeared here, and the color range is this, and I am clicking here. See here, the color range of this third one is this. So this is also a tool which helps us to identify the color range values. With the help of this color sampler tool, we can identify the color range in the Photoshop. For example, I am clicking here, the number 4 pop-up appears here, and the color range will be here. If it is not visible, go to the window and select and select the colors, and it will appear here. It will appear here in info tab. Again, I am selecting the color, this one. See here, the number 5 is there, and here are the values of this color. We should note these values we can use this when we do text for this image or anything other thing. We can save the values of these colors. That is the help of color sampler tool.